Biado sealed the deal at 15. Yeah, you can go to either corner. He's going out towards the center, so he playing the pink 4 in the same corner as the red 3.
Gives you a good look of the patrons. Really close to the table if you've been lucky enough to get one of them seats right at the front as well. Playing double elimination down to the final 64 as Biado lets the cue ball rip a little. Looks like it's just holding up a little bit, so maybe taking a while to get used to that.
Yeah, well, there it goes. It slides out just a little bit with that high cue ball. Plays as a pretty big pocket with the fresh cloth, even though we're playing on 4-inch pockets. That would have gone on 3-inch pockets.
Watch outside. Pocket, by the way. Okay, in rack number 1. In the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and he's a real good young player. We're talking about the Americans, but
the table might play a tick slower. And I don't know, right here. Don't want this to fall.
Love it. Which he did, but he scratched again, so he's actually on 2 fouls now, and he may find himself well
just from that.
Well, the Karen. Yep, I think.
Now, going to be a good hit here. And he's gotten away with it, but Sam needs to get out here.
Bot the ball, cue ball out in the middle of the table near your hand. Well, there's no pictures.
The gate for young Landon, who just had a pretty bad accident about 8 months ago. Yeah, short with the 1, maybe a tick thin, just a touch. I mean, there was a pretty good split, but man, you know what though? His style was just never really a tactical style, right? He's always looking for the aggressive, and I think he's living a little bit in the past, which is really easy to do if you're somebody like Earl. I mean, I even do it, right? So he's probably looking, but you never know.
Yeah, it's a good point. I never really looked at it like that. Oh, that's a useful bump on the 9. I don't think that was the intended play.
He's very good. The tight areas being very compact with the cue ball. Generates a ton of power. Really doesn't bring the cue back real far, 3 or 4 inches oftentimes.
He just wants to settle into the match, doesn't he? Pretty much like every player in the building. 6 players from Trinidad and Tobago into the tournament. Trying to get us a little trip to the Caribbean, Scott. That's why I got that one in. One of the players just walked past.
Got all the moves, Mr. Boys. You've got all the moves. Now I know why you are where you are. And that's the swing that we like to see from Biado. Just so fluid. Watch the Q-tip. Only comes back a few inches.
Crazy big Q action. I know you guys can't see that. It's just because I spotted him walking out the arena now. I'll get it. I'll have a look. Don't worry.
Really friendly draw. Game flow can get it. But Trenton, another young, talented player in America. And I think the more of these events that we have, the better that these guys are going to get. You've just got to get your feet wet, right?
We got out because we were drowning, Scott. We pulled the right move. Sit up here where you never miss a single ball from the con box. for Sam.
Yeah, just going to come down to the corner for the purple 5. Needs that to hop, though. He doesn't want to have to go away from the green 6. Well, you got a little deeper shelf, I believe. If you catch this rail going in, it could be trouble. This is what Biado does from such a compact point. Gets so much out of the cue ball. Like so many players, his initial aim point is at the center, most lower part of the cue ball.
Yeah, we will keep you posted of the result at the end of that match, as Carlo has found a break here. Yeah, it's a big shot. You want to come down the left side of the table. You don't want to fall on the right-hand side of the red 3. Then you got to start moving the cue ball. See how he's coming down the left here? This just makes life easier.
Just
in the middle.
Very clean. You're starting to tell. Just wants to swing around twice. He can one rail out if he'd like.
Yeah, this should hold up nicely.
And this is just a high right ball. It's going to flatten out quite well, too, on this fresh claw. Yeah, a little bit further than you wanted to be. I don't know if the reach is going to be a problem here. He can get into it, so this is no issue.
Nearly over. Did that then. Well, we were showing you table 6 just a few moments ago when the bank pool player from Orlando, Florida has hung the 9 at Hill Hill. He's lost the match. That was Mark the Lord. Thank you, buddy. Lost the cue ball a little bit, over drew the rock. Heart of the pocket.
Absolutely perfect. But the cue ball not quite reaching where it needs to be on the 3, which is hard to believe from that position. It does play past the 8. Yeah, it looks like he's going to whip it. Like to miss the 9, he has. Good call, Carl. I don't want to finish on the rail, but it shouldn't cause him any trouble. He goes to the low ball more often than not. I feel like you've got to be a little bit more accurate with the low ball. Watch out, 9.
Yeah, talking of Fed or Ghost, demolish Henderson, and he's doing a pretty good job so far.
I've given this a lot of time, and I don't feel like it's as tough as it looks. Yeah, the 7 clearly plays. And maybe something they don't feel real good about, and they just reset, and that's what the elite play.
Five.
I think he goes at this.
Well, Biado, he's going bonkers out there. What a shot. To find another one here as well. Maybe a little bit of left spin. Using 2 rails to come down.
Yeah, so maybe a question of the shot clock management, kind of early for Sam, I think, in a couple of different situations.
You know, when we get a look of it on our TV, you kind of get an instinct vibe of it, and to me it kind of looked like you have to smooth that one and just kill the cue ball, one of them type of shots.
Versus just a straight low, smoothing it in, like you said, Carl. Easier said than done, like Carl just mentioned. We don't miss up here. I mean, he is playing a 2-time world 9-ball champion.
Boy, he'd love to start this match again and kind of just go into it and Kind of just throw the cue at the ball a little bit, especially early on where Biado looked to lowest ball first. If another ball goes in, you keep shooting. Red 3 to the pink 4. Didn't go past the green 6, so he's tried to float the cue ball in this little gap.
Okay, maybe he can miss the corner here onto the left side. Yeah, just could. Still caught. I thought he was going to catch a piece of the 8. Expect him to get out here.
Needs to go.
Oh, he's missed it. First look at Sam.
Kind of digging in and coming back over towards that side of the table. Kind of got.
I mean, I think that actually does the trick right there, though. Just let the referee handle it. Nothing wrong with that. Biado going to take distance on the pink. Did he not quite get where he wanted to be? This is one guy that can handle distance. Oh, he caught that heavy.
For both players, sometimes it's just about getting the job done.
Not make the one on the break. I'm not 100% on that, but that's what he liked to have flicked a piece of the 3 there just to nudge the 7 out of the way. I believe he's going to play a carom on the 7. He'd like to get position on the red, so I don't think he hits this real hard.
Yeah, it went in a little bit thick. The purple 5 in the middle pocket here. I don't think he goes past the green 6. Yeah, he's spinning it round. This looks good. This looks good because it is good.
You say he ticks all the boxes? And this is a shot young players need to get used to, especially on the new cloth. You can go deep as you want, really, into that lower left corner like he just did. When you're not at the table.
Winners round 2. Okay. He's decided to juice the cue ball up a little bit. It's gone wrong.
The sliver to the lower right. Putting on a show. Biado. Not this time.
That was very adventurous.
He did have it. Sam has a chance to get to 3. felt like he'd have been a little better off drawn back, and now on the clock. Oh, and he's wiggled the 9 in. Too thin, Carl. Notice the cue ball tracking 3 rails like this, and I think this was also the problem earlier. Like, all ball foul situation. Does not want to touch the shirt on the 3. It's whatever I'd choose. How about that? Just heavy into the 8. And watch this, elevating almost like he's massing the cue ball with an outside ball here, though. Yeah, very, very good. Missed the ball. Missed the ball. Come on, Sam's got to look. That's no good, Carl. But it's just been one of those matches for him. Oh, boy. And then at the last minute, just goes straight into the drink.
Colleague Jeremy Jones in the practice area. We're kind of situated right in the middle of 6 practice tables. I can't see him anyway. He's only 30 minutes, Scott. What kind of preparation is this?
He really likes to, he likes to play still. Q-Tech representative. But he likes to play, and he's obviously such a competitor. He grew up around JJ. If he does, Carl, he plays Fedor Gorst. That would be fun.
Yeah, Gorst is up next on this very table that we're watching now. So if Gorst and JJ win, as you said, Scott, that could be an interesting matchup. Hopefully we're in the booth for that one. Anyway, this match is...